Hello and welcome, and I can tell you it was a dry walk to the gantry today, no rain in sight. My name is Derek Ray, and ready with his tactics board to provide all the analysis is Stuart Robson. And we're fully convinced this game will live up to its billing. It's Arsenal taking on Real Madrid.
Yes, thanks as always, Derek. We've got two good teams here, so I'm anticipating a really good game. The atmosphere is electric inside the stadium before kick-off, and hopefully we're not disappointed.
Palinha, Di Maria, Zlatan Ibrahimovic. Di Maria showing a real will to win the ball. Palinha. Well, they need to get tighter. Well, not the best clearance. Well, threat averted. Effective challenge. And just losing control of the ball, and it will be a throw-in. Zlatan Ibrahimovic. Defensive Brazilians to shut them down. Oh, tremendous vision. Cleared away comprehensively. Richarlison. Well-timed tackle. And the timing was perfect. Ball one. Can he put them in front? Good technique displayed. So a throw-in for Real Madrid. He has teammates around him. Lovren. De Bruyne. Oh, superb skill. And De Bruyne in a useful-looking position, but will there be an end product? Well, in terms of added time, a minimum of 1 minute. Virgil van Dijk. And so it is, the first half story has been written. Well, as they get the ball rolling again, interesting to see how the second half pans out. And a timely intervention. Lovren. Roberto Carlos. De Ligt. Still pushing for that goal that would see them forge ahead. Richarlison. Really good challenge. So half an hour remaining. Abedi Pele. Zlatan Ibrahimovic. And promising stuff from Arsenal. It might be. Well, the keeper has outdone himself. Wonderful save. Well, they've been getting the substitute ready, and now they will make the personnel change. Well, it still could be dangerous. Di Maria. Well, spot on with that challenge. A foul, but no whistle. Instead, advantage with Arsenal. Well, it was one foul too many, and the referee simply had to blow for the free kick. Modric. Can he put it in? And just making the run a bit too early. Offside as a result. Now they're going to alter things. Here's the substitution. De Bruyne. Well, we're inside the final 10 minutes in this one. De Bruyne. Can they nudge in front late on here? But they dealt with the threat posed. Richarlison. Given away by Real Madrid. Well, adding up all the stoppages, we will have 3 extra minutes. Ronaldo. Di Maria. Straight forward for the keeper. And that is that. A full-time whistle here, and nothing to separate the two sides at all over 90 minutes. It finishes 0-0. Stuart, your take?
Well, Derek, I was expecting more from both teams. You certainly can't criticise the effort.
And a warm welcome on what is an ideal night for football, you've got to say. I'm Derek Ray in the commentary position, and I'm joined for analysis by Stuart Robson. And if this game lives up to its billing, we're in for a riveting occasion. It's Paris Saint-Germain versus Arsenal.
Yes, thanks as always, Derek. We've got 2 good teams here, so I'm anticipating a really good game. The atmosphere is electric inside the stadium before kick-off, and hopefully we're not disappointed.
Perfect challenge. He's in with a chance. And a goal right off the bat. No wonder they're jumping for joy.
Well, as you can see, he's a dangerous runner with the ball. He has such good balance and pace. That's a top-class goal, isn't it?
And underway again. Arsenal are the side in front. And a fine tackle. Moving it forward. Pele. Here's Vinicius Junior. Oh, a good diving save. Cleared away comprehensively. Riquelme. Oh, good reflexes from the keeper, and the danger averted. Well, it smacks into the gloves of the goalkeeper. Hakimi. Rodrigo. Vinicius Junior. And smart defending. Zlatan Ibrahimovic. And Palinha with it. De Ligt. Lovren. Tremendous intuition to win it back. Di Maria. Palinha. Abedi Pele. Well, he's got past his man. It's there for him, and it's gone in for Arsenal. Will they be stopped from this position?
Well, let's have another look at this, because Di Maria shows great skill to go beyond the defender, which makes it a fairly simple finish in the end. It's a really good goal.
And the ball is moving again. 2-0 is how it stands. Really good challenge. Well, the threat was very real. Marvellous defending. Pele. Gerd Müller. And 1 minute of stoppage time has been added on. And there it is, the half-time whistle. Into the second half, after a dominant first-half performance by Arsenal. Palinha. Di Maria. It was played in the general direction of Ibrahimovic. Well, sometimes they come off for you, sometimes they don't, Stuart.
Well, he didn't get the technique right there, and as a result, he mistimes the contact on the ball.
Well, they are committed to making the substitution here. Pele. Gerd Müller. And the challenge halts them in their tracks. Hakimi. Making progress. And he clears the danger. Really good challenge. Hakimi. Pele. Martinez. Zlatan Ibrahimovic. Ronaldo. Straightforward piece of goalkeeping. Pele. Gerd Müller. And an astute piece of defending. Riquelme. Pele. Gerd Müller. Vinicius Junior. Trying to really get at the opposition here. Can he take advantage? Well, we really have to call that a squandered opportunity, Stuart.
Well, what a waste that is. It's far too easy for the keeper. He should have made him work harder there.
Ramos. Mensch. And the referee blows his whistle. Now we can say it officially. Arsenal have won this game. 3 points for them. What did you make of it all?
Well, Derek, they were better than their opponents in all aspects of the game. They defended well enough, they dominated midfield, and they created chances as well. It was a great performance.
And a warm welcome on what is a fine day for football. I'm delighted to be able to report. I'm Derek Ray, and my commentary partner, as always, is Stuart Robson. And if this game lives up to its billing, we're in for a riveting occasion. It's Arsenal facing Manchester City.
Well, Derek, when looking forward to this game, you can't help but notice there are some great matchups all over the pitch, particularly in those central areas. Whichever team wins more of those battles will win the game.
A real opening now. He's gone and found the net! Brilliant piece of finishing! Magnificent goal!
Well, here it is again, and that's the perfect volley, isn't it? He strikes it so well. What an excellent finish.
So the game restarted by Arsenal. A wake-up call for the Arsenal players, perhaps. Can they construct a response? Foden. Erling Haaland. Well, spot on with that challenge. De Bruyne. Haaland. Mahrez. Kevin De Bruyne. Fantastic work to thwart the danger. Osimhen. Zlatan Ibrahimovic. Excellent assessment of the situation at the back. Haaland. Mahrez. Kevin De Bruyne. Bernardo Silva. Well, that's how to keep the opposition at bay. Cleared away comprehensively. And he has options available. Haaland! Oh, a moment of pure class! Had to catch it perfectly, and didn't he just?
Well, just look at this again. Great technique, perfect contact, and a brilliant finish. Top stuff.
So underway again, and a 2-0 advantage here. Back now to the goalkeeper. Disasi. Victor Osimhen. Roberto Carlos. De Bruyne. Axel Disasi. Roberto Carlos. Osimhen. Zlatan Ibrahimovic. Di Maria. Is this the moment? Oh, a really good header, but the goalkeeper there to cover up. Corner kick given to Arsenal. And oh, it's in! We cannot declare this contest over. They still believe.
Well, here's the replay, and it's a really inviting ball played into the box, begging players to attack it. And then what a great finish as well. Good connection with the ball, leaving the keeper with little chance. It's a great goal.
And the whistle is sounded for half-time in this game. On they go again, and that goal for Arsenal means they can... Both substitutes who've been getting ready will come on at the same time. So back in business here, City with the lead, but they won't be taking anything for granted. A foul but no whistle, instead advantage with Arsenal. Cristiano Ronaldo. And in with a real chance. And Arsenal unable to hang on to the ball. Bernardo Silva. Martinez. Zlatan Ibrahimovic. Ibrahimovic just keeps going. Easy meat for the goalkeeper. And into the last 30 minutes now. Mahrez. He has teammates around him. Haaland. Well, mopping up defensively. Gundogan. Well, for power, 10 out of 10. For placement, maybe 8. Substitution then. Let's see how it affects the match. De Ligt. Palinha. Perfect tackle. Ronaldo. Just 15 minutes remaining. Arsenal's free kick here. Oh, he's given the ball away. And he could really get at the opposition. This could be the equaliser. Ederson, wonderful goalkeeping. Well, a good tackle. Well, with 5 minutes remaining and just 1 goal between them, still the prospect of late excitement in this match. Now a potentially dangerous position for City, but nothing comes of it. Good defending it was. And if you're wondering about added time, 2 minutes it'll be. Haaland. So the referee's whistle means full time, and it goes into the books as a defeat for Arsenal.
Well, Derek, it was a poor result, but it was a really tight contest. Both sides had their chances, could have gone either way, but in the end, they will be disappointed.
Hello, it's great to be with you, and I don't think anybody is going to complain, especially about the weather. I'm Derek Ray at the microphone, and joining me for match commentary is Stuart Robson. And every reason to believe we're in for an entertaining match here. It's Arsenal versus Barcelona.
Thanks, Derek, as always. This should be a good game. Great atmosphere inside the stadium. We've got 2 teams full of quality, some interesting matchups, and 2 coaches that want to play an attractive brand of football. What more could you ask for?
Axel Disasi. Lovren. Roberto Carlos. Deciding to give it to the keeper. Roberto Carlos. Disasi. Palinha. Di Maria now. De Ligt. A very good tackle. Zlatan Ibrahimovic. Well, slightly off target, and that'll be a throw-in. Rafael Leao. Ibrahimovic. Lovren. Roberto Carlos. Palinha. Well, not quite what he wanted to do with the pass. Zlatan Ibrahimovic. Now with Ibrahimovic. Just cutting off the supply. Throw in here for Arsenal. Osimhen. Ball's gone. Rafael Leao. He continues his run. Chance to take the lead. My goodness, that save. Fully stretched he was. One for his own highlights reel. And a goal to give them the lead. They have their reward.
Well, here's the replay, and it all starts off with that cross into the box, just begging for a teammate to get on the end of it. And it ends up with a fairly simple finish. Certainly not much the goalkeeper can do about that.
So the game restarted by Arsenal. A wake-up call for the Arsenal players, perhaps. Can they construct a response? 2 minutes of stoppage time coming up. Osimhen. This could square the game. Oh, marvellous goalkeeping.
Well, it's a top-class save from a top-class goalkeeper. That's absolutely brilliant.
And look at that. A goal here for Arsenal, who now have got themselves on terms.
Well, here it is again. Just look at the quality of the cross. It's inch perfect, which makes it a fairly simple finish in the end. It's a really good goal.
So, a level contest, 1-1. And the whistle is sounded for half-time in this game. And as the second half commences, both sides can reflect on a first half in which they weren't so very evenly matched. Rodrigo. Really good challenge. Well, he's certainly not alone. Well, nothing comes of it. It looked promising. Now, this could be productive. It's gone in! And well, he might celebrate on the back of that.
Well, here it is again, and it's a simple finish in the end. The defence were all over the place, so too the keeper, and he just walked it into the unguarded net.
And time for the change now. So back underway at 2-1. Tight contest here. Promising pass. And promising stuff from Arsenal. Possibilities for Ibrahimovic. And searching for his second, but the keeper equal to the task.
Well, he's looking really lively, isn't he? Every time he gets the ball, he looks a threat.
And it goes down as a missed opportunity from there. Well, they've decided to make a change. Dembele. Hakimi. Well-timed tackle. Just 20 minutes remaining now. Can he put it in? Well, it's all going so swimmingly for them here. Another goal. And now it's a matter of avoiding any silly mistakes.
Well, this is a brilliant strike, as you can see. He hits it with so much power. The keeper had no chance. Fantastic finish.
So on with the action, and 3-1 the scoreline at the moment. Barcelona now in potentially a dangerous position. Both substitutes who've been getting ready will come on at the same time. Di Maria. Abedi Pele. Perfect challenge. 10 minutes left for play. Cristiano Ronaldo. Barca recovering possession well. Oh, what an opportunity! And a goal to put the final stamp on it. That will do it.
Well, as you can see, he's given far too much space, but he still had some work to do, and I think that's a very tidy finish. It was never in doubt.
It's a massive lead, and it's very hard to imagine them losing it now. Arslan. And he has options available. Can he do it? And there it is, a goal. But will it be purely a consolation at this stage of the proceedings? They haven't been at their best. So the current scoreline, 4-2. So there goes the final whistle. It ends in a victory for Arsenal. Maximum points for them. What did you make of it all?
Well, Derek, it was fairly comfortable in the end because they were tactically superior, had better individuals, and were always a threat going forward. It was a really good performance and a good result as well.